Well, hey there, my friend. I'm Abby from Abbi Kirsten Collections, and I wanted to let you know today that we are hosting a free Cricut event from February 21st through February 25th of 2022. This event is going to be all about helping you learn your Cricut machine. Not just learn it if you're a beginner, but even if you're someone who's done a few crafts and maybe you're looking to try out a new skill, we've got you covered as well. So whether you're brand new to owning a Cricut Maker, a Cricut Explorer machine, or a Cricut Joy machine, this event is going to be for you. I am honored to be hosting this event along with 30 of my other peers who are some of the best Cricut experts on the internet. If you own a Cricut machine and you need help learning it and you're a brand new beginner or someone who's maybe done a few crafts but is looking to try some new things, then this is the event for you. We'll be doing everything from infusible ink crafts, iron-on crafts, vinyl crafts, fabric projects, engraving, wood crafts, paper crafts, and so much more. The Cricut Craftfest Summit is going to be hosted from February 21st to February 25th, and there'll be 6 Cricut workshops per day, which are going to be free for 24 hours for you to enjoy. If you don't want to try and cram it all in 1 week, which I do not recommend because it can lead to feeling overwhelmed, then you'll want to check out our All Access Pass, which is going to give you lifetime access to all of the workshops, exclusive video transcripts, and over $500 worth of exclusive bonuses, SVG cut files, Cricut cheat sheet guides from our very generous and talented speakers. I can't wait to share this event with you. Make sure you visit the link below and you grab your free ticket, and I will see you there, my friend. Bye for now.